my channel, The Flow Grow. My name is Christina and welcome to my morning stretches. This is today is day 5, the last day of the morning stretch routine. I hope you enjoyed the tutorials. Let me know in the comments below. For today's video, have your block and your strap nearby. We're gonna begin in wide knee child's pose. Sit back on your heels, open the knees wide enough for your rib cage to fit in between, and fold forward. Extend the arms in front of you. Let the head drop. The neck is long. Make sure there's no tension in your jaw. Walk your hands to your right. Place the left hand on the top of the right one. Keep both of the sitting bones down. Slowly make your way back through center and walk your hands to your left. Right hand on top of the left one. Breathe into the stretch of the right side body. Come back through center. Walk your hands back, press yourself up, bring your knees to touch. And sit on your hips, sit on your heels. Bend the elbows 90 degrees. Inhale, open the chest up. Exhale, round through the back, bring the elbows to touch. One more time, inhale, open up. Exhale, round. Last one. And exhale, round. Come back through center. Come on your knees and extend the right leg in front of you. Point your fingers in. Place your hands down and sit your hips back. Feel the stretch in the back of the right leg. Bend the right knee, slide it back, left foot forward. Point your toes in as you sit your hips back. Breathe into the stretch of the back of the left foot. Slide the foot back. Come to sit down on your bums. Hug your knees in towards the chest and lay back on your back. Rock from side to side, massaging your whole back body. Bring the hands on the back of the knees, rock up and down along the spine. And when you get enough momentum, come up to the forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Last one, inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Ground down through the feet as you come all the way up. Reach the arms up and over the head. Look up. Bring the hands down by your side. Find your mountain pose. Bring the hands in front of the heart. Take your feet mat width apart. Toes out, heels in. Keep the knees out as you squat down. Find your Malasana squat. Elbows on the insides of your knees, lengthen through the crown of the head as you let your tailbone drop down. Good. From here, press yourself up and squat down. One more time, lift up, squat down. Last one, lift up, squat down. Bring the hands down, step with the left foot back, lizard pose. Keep your right foot the way it is, left hand down, right arm up, twist. Right hand down, step your left foot forward, find your squat. Press up, come down. One more time, press up, come down. Last one, press up and come back down. Place your hands down, right foot back, lizard pose. Right hand down, left arm up, twist. Bring the left hand down, step back into your squat. Okay, press yourself up, bring squat down, press up, squat down. Last one, press up and squat all the way down. Place your hands down and come to sit down on your bum. Keep the knees in. Open the arms up, open through the collarbones, Navasana, ball pose. Lower halfway down, lift up, lower halfway down, lift up, lower halfway down, lift up. 2 more times. Engage your abs to move your body. Good. Cross your shins, bring them down, place your hands down, and jump back into plank pose. Lower halfway down, inhale, upward facing dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg up, bend the knee in, step the foot between the hands, press evenly into the feet as you come up, windmill the hands down, step back in plank, lift the hips up and back, downward facing dog. Left leg up, step the foot between the hands, ground down through the feet, reach the arms up, windmill the hands down, find your plank, lift the hips up and back, downward facing dog. Right leg up, step the foot between the hands, find your high lunge, straighten the front leg, rebend. Straighten, rebend. One more time, straighten and rebend. Find the top of the mat, bring the hands down. Inhale, reach the arms up, look up. Exhale, fold forward. Halfway lift, exhale, fold. Ground down, come all the way up. Bring your hands down. Step your right foot back. Find your high lunge. Bend the left knee. Reach the arms up. Straighten the front leg. Rebend. Straighten. Rebend. One more time, straighten and rebend. Step the right foot forward. Mountain pose. Step the right foot back. Bring the back heel down for warrior one. Bend the front knee. Reach the arms up. Open out to the side, warrior two. Expand. Active through the arms, open through the collarbones. Windmill your hands down. Find your plank. Lift the hips up and back, downward facing dog. Look to the top of the mat. Hop. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Ground down, come all the way up. Mountain pose. Step your left foot back. Bring the left heel back for warrior one. Bend the front knee, open the arms up. Open your stance out to the side, warrior two. Stay active in your arms as you allow your sitting bones to descend. Windmill the hands down. Step back in plank pose. Lower halfway down. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. Bring the knees down. Sit back on your hips, open the palms up, place the forehead down, find your child's pose. Feel your belly heavy on your thighs. Feel your forehead heavy on the mat, your neck long. Turn the palms down, or you can even bring the hands back and let your shoulders roll down. Slowly press yourself up. Going to sit down on the mat, bring the shins in front of you, cross your shins. Close your eyes, bring your hands on your knees. Lengthen through the crown of the head, lean your shoulders back so you have your shoulders stacked right on top of your hips and the head right on top of the shoulders. Scan your body, see how it feels after the practice today. Bring the hands in front of the heart. Thank you so much for your time, your practice, and your energy. Namaste. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you liked that video. Let me know in the comments below and hit the like button and the subscribe button to my channel for more videos like that.